What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. It is time. It's time. I've been talking about it for months. We are getting fish for the 1,000-gallon aquarium. In today's video, we head over to Predatory Fins, my favorite fish store, tell you some really secret news that I have not said anything about, and also buy a ton of exotic fish. We spent over $1,000 easily. And all this was not possible without today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Raycon. Raycon provides innovative earbud design at prices that will not break the bank. Raycon offers their wireless earbuds in a range of fun colors and patterns. They're super comfortable and come in a variety of fit options. Raycon is great if you just want to slip in some nice comfortable earbuds, listen to your favorite tunes, and ignore all the distractions. And I also use these for what I do every single day, and that is edit my YouTube videos here. You pop these in, grab your computer, and get to work. The new everyday earbuds offer an improved rubber oil look and feel and optimized gel tips for the perfect ear fit. Raycon offers 8 hours of playtime, 32 hours of battery life, seamless Bluetooth pairing, and a more compact design. Now Raycon also comes with a built-in mic, which allows you to take calls with the press of a button. Hello? No one's on right now. Yeah, okay. Raycon start at half the price of the other premium audio brands, and they sound just as good, if not better. Raycon also has a free 45-day return policy. Now go to the link in the description box or go to buyraycon.com/Paul Cuffaro. That is buyraycon.com/Paul Cuffaro and get 15% off. 15% off. Thank you so much, Raycon, for sponsoring today's video. I seriously do love these things. And it's awesome to get to work with companies that you've used in the past. Again, top link in the description. Get 15% off your Raycon purchase. Enjoy the video. Thanks again, Raycon. We are cutting straight to it today. No waiting around. We're going to get fish right now. Predatory Fins, here we come. We are here at Predatory Fins, and I've got, of course, the normal, the usual, a bucket full of silverside. This is what we typically feed the fish around here. This is silverside. We also have this giant blue crab, frozen blue crab, and this is for the shark. There's a big nurse shark in here. We're gonna try to feed him. Here he comes. Ready? Oh, he doesn't want it. Oh, look at this eel. Look at this eel. Oh my gosh. Oh. Watch out. Watch out. That thing, watch Chad, he'll take your freaking hand off. Look. God, it's so scary. Oh. Dude, that is sketch. That's one of the sketchiest things I've ever done. Look. His head is out of the water. He didn't even breathe in water, dude. Dude. Yo, that's so sketch. You gotta understand, if I was to get bit by that eel, I'm going to the hospital, no questions asked. That's why I'm so afraid. This shark isn't even as scary as that eel. Hey, pet the shark. That eel? No. Full crab going in because someone here has got to eat it. I think a grouper's gonna eat it. Yep, look at the grouper came up. Look at the albino grouper, dude. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh. That's the craziest thing. I did not know he had that fish. That is nuts. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, Rodrigo. Dude, you did it. You got it.
Hey, I don't know if it was him or him.
It was me. Honestly, I'll take the blame for that one.
Dude, he went in your shoe, bro.
In my shoe.
That's what happens when you come over close.
I know, you're right. It's like 1 in the morning right now. I'm not even kidding. Any memories?
That is awesome. This does not get better than that thing right there.
All right, now that I'm soaking wet, we might as well feed the rest of these fish to the 12,000 gallon. We've got all sorts of fish in here.
Whoa, hold on. What about the arowana?
Yeah, he wants one. Watch. Ready?
Oh, dude, that was the sickest freaking eat ever.
He's sucking in water. That's sick. Okay. Well, that's for the feeding. Now let's go see what we're gonna actually get for the 1,000-gallon aquarium pond in the fish room. Don't step in the poop. Again, sturgeon eating mysis shrimp. Got all the sturgeons in it. Are these things for sale?
The tank and the sturgeons are for sale. We're moving and I don't want to take the glass tank. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right, so here's some really, really big news and very serious news. Like, off note, cut the music. Rodrigo's moving. We don't know where he's moving. You're gonna have to watch his channel for that.
You're a little upset.
I don't want to spoil it. I am upset, man. I live in Florida. We have lived in Florida. And it's just, times are coming to an end, the end of an era, you know? Yeah. Predatory Fins is moving on to a bigger facility. Gonna be much bigger things and a lot more videos we're gonna be doing. We're gonna have to fly to you now.
And I'll come visit.
Serious note, if I actually opened up my own aquarium shop, personally, like, you can come visit. I'll have certain days where I'm in. It would be something crazy. And I see a lot of other YouTubers doing it, like Brian Barczyk's doing it. Snake Discovery just opened up a nice zoo. A couple other YouTubers who are doing this zoo thing I think is super, super cool. They're literally funding it with their YouTube channel and then obviously with the revenue that's coming in from the zoo. But I think it'd be awesome if we did like a Predatory Fins / Paul Cuffaro collab.
So I would provide you with the fish.
With the fish. We would sell wholesale fish.
Right.
But we would also have like PC merch in it. Like my fish would be there.
So you could be the new rod of Predatory Fins in Florida.
In Florida, exactly.
I like that idea.
What do you guys think? I think we should do a certain amount of likes on this video.
What do you think?
100,000.
Oh, crap.
I've never done that before. 100,000 likes.
Okay, so if they do that, then it's guaranteed you have to open a store.
How about this? If you hit 100,000 likes, I will seriously look into buying a building, storefront, and get into this. It could cost $1 million.
You could.
And I don't have $1 million, so smash the like button.
Well, one thing's for sure, I can help you set up. I can help you set up, but it's gonna be like zero work.
Hit the like button, 100,000 likes, PC store is opening up. That's the craziest thing I've ever done.
That. So I'm out, and
you're out? You're out and I'm in. I'm the new Predatory Fins of Florida. Listen, it's all up to you watching. I love this tank, man.
This tank's for sale too.
For sale?
Yeah.
Maybe we could put it in the PC store.
Hey, if they do the 100,000 likes.
This is sick. This tank is dope. Look at that 3D background. It's like that rock look, a bunch of angelfish. This would be really cool. This would be sick. That massive lungfish in this big old tank. You taking this tank?
No, these are for sale.
Everything's for sale. All right.
Because listen, over there we're gonna make everything new.
Yeah.
It has to be like easier. Like this is a tank where it's a little hard to deal with. You know what I mean? So if we're gonna sell fish out of here, it's gonna be almost impossible to get them out. So we're gonna take the fish, the lungfish, because it's our pet, but we're gonna have different. The idea is to build an exhibit in the back.
Oh, a peacock.
That's the spider kelberry.
Hey, buddy. And there's a nice Oscar down there. Got some big old red-tailed catfish right there.
Those monsters are sold.
They sold already?
Yeah.
I'm sure they did, because I would have bought them right now if they weren't. Listen, I had a couple ideas. I wanted to do like my exotics only, bring my platinums over and do like melanistic gar and stuff.
I want that gar.
He wants the gar. He wants the black gar.
Why don't we do a trade?
Dude, you really want that gar?
I do, because I have an orange and a white. It would be cool with the black in it.
Lots more fish over here. So this man just got so many fish. Look at this. Oh, by the way, look at this whole row of tanks, right? You know what this guy said to me? If I get my own store, he would donate this whole thing.
But they have to subscribe to me too, because otherwise I'm out.
Well, yeah, we both subscribe to Rodrigo. If we had our own store, this man would give us this entire setup.
It's gonna be our store, bro. Why don't you get a little shark, bro?
Look at these things.
Put your finger in there.
They gonna bite me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they are.
It's not gonna hurt.
Look at those plecos. Beautiful.
Look how pretty these are. These are like a saltwater fish.
They look saltwater, but they're fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, those look like saltwater fish too.
Yeah, they're really pretty.
They kind of look like pinfish. So I was thinking along the lines of like obviously predatory fish because it's a big pond, 1,000-gallon pond. But I want to do something that I've never had before.
I really don't. We'll have new shipments coming in, but the Phantom.
These are all your fish?
Yeah.
What is that?
That's a golden Korean perch.
That thing is cool. Look at it. Follow me.
No, that's mine. That's mine. I got grilled that one.
Talk about a pretty fish. Such beautiful, beautiful fish. I've always wanted to do a discus tank, and I've always wanted to do a lot of different tanks, but that was one of my like top ones on the list. But from what I hear, they're a little bit more difficult to take care of, and with so many things I have, I'd rather choose not to, do one at the moment at least. We got peacocks right here. I know exactly what I would have bought if it was not sold, and that is these massive red-tailed catfish right here. I mean, just look at that. I really wish you weren't sold. What if? Oh, what if? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red tails. Yeah, they're gonna grow, but I got space, and maybe we get a phantom with them and 2 phantom. Rod, I got an idea.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy 3 red tails over there that are like 4 inches, 5 inches.
All the short body ones?
Yep, here, I got cash on me right now. Take it all.
Let's go. Hey, it's about 1, bro. Oh, wait, no, it's 20. Sure you want
They're short body?
Yeah, look at it.
Heck yeah, I want short body. That's sick. I don't even have a short body. A red tail pond, dude.
Like little short body.
They're a little short body. They're stubby. Look at how stubby he is.
So if you had to name them like friends that you know, what would it be? If you could say my name.
It would definitely be Nick. Nick is one of them.
Okay.
For sure.
Nick is a little short body.
He's short, for sure. And how much are they? 175 a piece?
Yeah, I just actually did with 350. So you're not even giving a chance to the people to buy it.
Listen, I'm leaving too. What do you mean? I'm gonna do some shopping and get my brain together. We're gonna do some exotic catfish.
All right.
Short bodies are not normal red tails, so they're actually called short bodies because they kind of like
You're like, how do you say it? Like a little person, but a fish.
yeah, exactly. Perfect way to put it.
You ever had a ripsaw?
No, that's awesome. Because I kind of want to keep everything around this size, so that way when they grow, they can grow into the pond a little bit. And then by the time they grow, I have something else for them to get into.
So if you guys at home subscribe to Predatory Fins, because you know I gotta change diapers now, I will give you a
ripsaw.
Yeah. But if they don't, I'll take it back.
Listen. All right, so ripsaw, the bigger Phantom. So we got another Phantom, and 2 of the shorter bodies. Like that one's clearly short body. That is 4 fish in total. Let's net some fish. That was supposed to be like cinematic type thing, you know, like I spin out of the camera to cut the clip.
Oh, and
we
I
got
just came along like this.
Oh yeah, baby. That's the one. Beautiful specimen.
Yeah?
Just like you.
Oh, of course.
Numero uno.
No, numero
dos. I didn't see you got this one yet. Oh yeah, here's the money spender. You might as well take that cash while you had the chance, bud.
Oh no, it's gonna cost more than that. You gave me that cash before you said to talk about the Phantom.
Oh.
Now it's gonna cost a little more.
Never seen one of these guys before.
Me neither, honestly. Well, I've seen them before, but I've never owned one of these. I have seen them before. All right, Rodrigo gave me some extra free fish. Guy's such a genuine guy. They're hybrid catfish, so it's pretty much a red tail catfish and a tiger shovel nose put together. That's what this fish is. I have owned these before, and I still do own a couple of them actually. But he wants to get rid of the ones with one eye.
That's the bigger ones.
It's 3 of them, right?
Yeah.
How am I gonna own a fish store? I can't even net a freaking catfish, man. Oh, look who got one. Hybrid catfish.
Like a champ, baby.
You can't let a fish.
Yeah.
You can't let a fish be smarter than you, bro.
You got a baby gorilla in this place? What is that thing?
Oh, this guy?
Yeah. Oh, that is a gorilla. Check it out. All 3 hybrid catfish. 2 short body red tails, a platinum or a Phantom, a little bit different than a platinum, kind of the same thing, and a ribsaw catfish. Cuffaros, love ya. Couldn't do it without ya.
Who's gonna ride back there?
Sadly, me.
Subscribe to Rodrigo so he doesn't come pick up his fish from me and take it back.
Oh, yeah,
and also 100K likes. Remember, PC Fish Store opening up. Catch me, catch me, catch me! A couple $1,000s later and we're back home. I just want to stop the video right here and just personally thank you. Thank you so much for watching the videos, especially if you watch all the videos like fully through. Up to this point, I'm sure we're pretty far into this and I want to thank you specifically for watching. Thank you so much. It is currently, let's see what time it is now. It is 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Yes, I said that. Look at chat, look at chat. Look at chat.
Guys,
Trip,
it is really
he fell
late.
asleep on the whole way home. Look at this, man. So we got Phantom, 2 short body red tails. I know I've been saying it a lot, but ribsaw cat, and then 3 of the hybrid. They're all around like, I would say from anywhere from 5 inches to like 9 inches. So we're about to acclimate them. Simple as this. We're gonna grab H bag. Here's the hybrids. Put those in. Here's the ribsaw. Such a cool fish. I've never owned one of those before. First timer here. And same with these short body red tails. I've never owned a short body red tail as well. So, bunch of first timers. And here is our Phantom. Look at that. All white. Woo! Bags are floating. And I am gonna see ya in about 15, 20, 30 minutes. Hopefully we're still awake. This used to be really, really high pH and it is now 7.5, which is exactly what Predatory's water is. So it is time. First things first, we're gonna go with all 3 of our hybrid catfish. Now I know Predatory's water is good. It's also the same pH. Now keep in mind, all these fish have one eye. That's the reason why he had to give them to me and couldn't sell them. Next is one of our short body red tails. We're gonna pop this sucker out. There he goes. Let's do our other short body red tail. What a pretty fish. So pretty. I love the two dots right on the top there. There you go, buddy. Ow, 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 ow. I was just about to talk about how spiky they are. And he spiked me. It's literally sawed the side of his body. It's a super crazy looking dinosaur. Prehistoric. Reminds me of a pleco. There it goes. See it, buddy? Look how cool it looks from above. Now I'm going to be adding some hides in here for these catfish because I know catfish like to hide. Last but not least, our phantom red tail. That right there is a beautiful specimen. With the red tail, such a cool fish, man. Look at that fish. Look at how pretty it is. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Wow. That fish is so cool. Well, I said beautiful about 34 times there, releasing all those fish, and I meant every single beautiful I said beautiful. In the morning, when I can actually comprehend what I'm saying. It is the next morning and every single catfish is in the cement block or behind the driftwood. It looks like nothing is in this pond. Meaning, we need to get mid-water column or like surface water swimmers in this pond. We'll have to do that in one of his upcoming videos. You can see a hybrid is actually tucked in over there. There's another hybrid back there. You can see his whisker. And there's another one back there with him. You can see that one's tail. The phantom is in there on the side. You can see him. And if I look at an angle, you can see all the short bodies are all inside there. They're new to this pond, so they're going to act like this, very shy, but I guarantee in a couple days from now, you will see on this channel, if you're subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, that they will be coming up to the surface and actually eating like crazy little lunatics they are. Red tails are the best. As always, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Hit that like button, because I tell you what, 100,000 likes and you might see a PC store. Like, that would be crazy, and it's not something that I would not do. I would do it. Smash the like button, subscribe down below. Thanks again, Raycon, for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you right back here in that next video. Peace!